Come already, look. Vlogs.
Oh, Sonala.
What's up, brother? चलो जी, let's go.
Allah Hafiz. चल फोन कर
आजकल जमाना जाली आजकल जमाना जाली आजकल दिन तेरी आंखों भरा बैरी तेरी सड़का तेरी ओ tech savvy access मुझे 24/7 गल करें text heavy payback बिल्डा विच बैठे बैठे online
Alright guys, I'm out of here now. It was cold. It was really cold. And I caught cold too. I'm cold now. Yo bro, we still out here just like playing basketball, but like we just left the courts. Me, look, me, us three just left the court, right? But we left our speaker at the beach. We gotta go to get the speaker. It's like, I don't know. And I also fucking injured my finger. My finger's stuck. We're finally going back. We're finally going back, right? Goodbye, Coney Island. See you probably after like a month or a week, I guess. Alright guys, we're going back and I'm tired. My eyes are blurry as fuck. My eyes are blurry. Alright guys, so these are some of the highlights at the park of Coney Island after we came out of the park, out of the beach, right? So we had some highlights of me, Ronish and Harsh playing basketball, right? So that's it. Yeah, just enjoy the video and drop a like if you enjoyed it. Thank you. No problem. Learn how to hold the ball.
This nigga's fucking wilding. I don't know. Y'all could juke this. Oh! Guys.
Assist, come on, hit that. Hit it.
Well, like water. Yo, Kai, he welding, bro.
Come on, put that up, baby. Let's go, ball movement.
That's gay.
Got the one?
Yeah, I got that.
Come on, man.
That's gay.